So this cello, the top repairs are turning out a lot better than that 3/4 size cello I tried to repair and ended up changing into a shelf. The crack didn't fight me as bad. I don't know if it was a twist in the wood or what. The grain just didn't seem to cooperate on that one. This one, very straight grain. I'm going to try to dress that down and touch that crack up a little bit. And that one up here, might add a little bit of heat to a metal blade and see if I can't coax that finish down a little bit and maybe put a little bit of depth in there and try to polish that up a little bit, and just to see how good I can make it look. But I'm going to try to touch that up too. So I'm hoping to be able to glue this top on it tonight, and we'll see how this is going to end up. What gave? Something gave. That wasn't good. the neck. I was gonna say that string seemed way high. The neck crack, son of a gun. All right, part 2 coming soon. Have to do better. Okay, so that didn't work out the way I wanted it to. As you probably just saw, the neck just snapped again on that. I used hot glue against my own better judgment, and I should have used wood glue. Hot glue is great, but it's designed to come apart, and I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm going to go back in and clean it out. I'm probably going to remove the neck off completely, make sure I get it all clean, so I get a good seal, and try it again. I do have I'm lucky enough, I have another cello at the high school that I can take to the middle school for now. But man, that sucked. It really sucked. I was hoping to be done with it and start a different project because this one's, oh, it's wearing me out. So anyway, I'll continue this one in another video. Thank you all for watching. Peace out.
Dad?
Yeah!
Did you buy this for Sandy?
No, I did not.